Your girl loves some shoes, so we are just gonna jump straight into it. This is the box it came in. It is huge, okay? It's huge, called Lemonade. Isn't this box like adorable? Like, I just love the color of this box. So these are these right here, right? This is what it looks like. So once we open it up, nicely packaged, they come in a little another little bag. Aren't these adorable? Oh my gosh. Like, these are the perfect summer shoe, right? And we're gonna go in depth on how they look and all that good stuff. So yeah, packaged nicely and everything. They look like this. They are so cute. Bottoms look like this, and they do say Lemonade on them on here. So by first impression, they are adorable. And the only thing negative that I have to say about these is I kind of don't like how the bow is tied. Like, they're not even, you know, they're not perfectly even, and there are like some dark spots on them a little bit. Like, I don't know if it's glue or what, but there's just like some little dark spots. But you're gonna get them dirty anyways because your stinky feet gonna be up in these, so I'm not really worried about that. But professionally sewn wise, everything is intact. Nothing came ripped, nothing came messed up. These right here, these were a good bargain right there. So what would I rate these? Appearance wise, I would rate them a 9 because they are just beautiful like that. So the next one will be from this company. I still do not know how to say their name. You guys can see that. So we're gonna open them up. Nicely packaged again. This is what they look like. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. They are this bright neon color. Got the bottom, just, you gotta wear that in because that's that part where you can slip and fall. This is right here that like the glue didn't go on evenly. Like when they lay this part down, the glue did not go on evenly. But literally, that is the only thing I see. Child, oh my god, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. These are absolutely gorgeous. There is nothing wrong with these, like, at all. And I am very, very pleased. So, this is what they look like, baby. They are, oh my god, they are so gorgeous. And I love, like, how short they are. Would I rate these? I would rate these a 9 as well, because these are just to die for. Seems like I'm moving fast. I'm trying not to lose daylight, so y'all work with me. If I see any imperfection, I'm going to let you guys know, and that's what they look like right there. Okay, let's open them up. So nicely packaged again. Opening them up. Now, these did have the paper and stuff in here, and they had everything, but I already took them out because I've already looked at them. So these are what they look like. I think these are just beautiful. These go perfect. A nice sundress, a nice skirt. Like, these are killer right here. So in-depth perfection. There might be, actually, there's a little bit of glue right there, but from a distance you can't even tell. It blends in. Anything else? I don't see any wrong with the stitching. I don't see any wrong, no rips and tears on anything. Like, this is a good shoe. The same thing, there might be like a little bump right here where they didn't get it pushed down all the way with the glue. Other than that, these, I see no imperfection in these. Stitching is nice. Everything came in one piece. There's not glue everywhere. There's not things sticking up. I'm for high standards, and this company is definitely doing it. So a 9 for these. these are the next pair. These are actually boots, and these are what they are. They are called Roxy 1, and the color is pink. This is how they come. They come nicely wrapped. They come in a bag. And look at these. Oh my god, these are so stinking cute. Now, I'm not really a big pink person, but these right here, they look really, really big though, right? They look like I wear a size 12, but they actually fit. And I'm a size 8 in women, and these are a size 9. So these are like so perfect. But it's fur all throughout. It's all throughout. So the same, it's not the exact same texture that's on the outside. Like this is like crazy soft, but the inside is soft as well, but it's just not this type of soft, if that makes sense. If y'all know what I mean. So on this side, I don't see anything, but just right here a little bit, there's glue. Not a crazy big deal. Stitching wise, all the stitching is in place. I don't see any imperfections. More in depth with them, but this isn't the part we're worried about. But you definitely want to look at the stitch and make sure everything's stitched down underneath and make sure everything looks right, and it does. And you guys are probably looking at, well, okay, well, what's that white part? It's actually folded over and stitched. They just didn't cut that part off. If you cut that part off, then you know the stitch will come loose. You can see that there is a little string right here hanging off. I can cut that off. That's not a big deal. Can't even complain about any of these shoes I'm reviewing so far. Like seriously, that they're that good for a wholesale company. So this is the next box. These are actually some combat boots that I am freaking excited to wear. Okay, look like. Okay, so let's open them up together. Look at this, perfectly wrapped in there, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, look at these. These are killer right here. And they're so freaking light versus like your average combat boots. These are so light. And they are so beautiful. They look big, right? They do look big, but they're all these shoes are a size 9. So, oh my god. These, somebody take me out because I am about to be a baddie in these baddies, okay? Look at these. Oh my god. Okay, now let's get to the nitty gritty. I don't even see any glue so far. Stitching, spot on. On this one, okay. So I do see a little bit of glue right here, but it actually blends in with the shoe, but you can see the residue of it down here, right? But nothing that's noticeable from somebody else's eye. Now, if you like all up in my shoe, you still wouldn't be able to see it. This one look better than the other one, actually. There's no glue on this one. Okay, but right here, I do see like a little string sticking out from where the stitching is. And that's something you can just easily cut off. It's just like the purple boots. I mean, it was just like the pink boots. So just go ahead and cut that off. No problem. Baby, these right here, great. These are a straight 10 for me, okay? These are my favorite purchase out of these whole bunch. Straight 10. Next one will be from Bamboo. This is what it looks like. Here it is. This is what they are. Now, I think I like these. I really like these too. I mean, of course, I like all the ones that I've purchased so far, but these are perfect for like a vacation, a cruise, or something like that. Okay, this is what they look like. Take them out. Bam! That's why they call them Bamboo, because you're gonna say bam. Oh my gosh. Okay, too cute. Okay, look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you can see they got the little styrofoam in there. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. And it says Bamboo on here. These are just gorgeous. So right off the bat, I do see some imperfections just as far as the strings. There's a long string here, easily cut off, right? and then there's like a little another one on this side. But other than that, I don't see any glue where glue shouldn't be, like on the fabric. It's stitched nice, it's put together nice. This is laying nice and flat. These I was kind of disappointed with though. These do not move, so you can't like adjust it. But if you get the right size, then you don't have to worry about all that. I do have like a little string hanging right here. Pull that off like that. Let me see. I don't see anything so far, actually. This one might be better than the other one. These looking good. So these are what they look like. Nice and cute. Catch me outside in these. I'm gonna rate these at 8.5. Now we only have 2 more left, and let's make them count. And so the next box looks like this. Yes, she is dirty. That's what they look like. And let's open it up. Looks like this. You open it up. She got the paper in them. This is what the girls look like. She is looking good, okay? It's definitely an indent right here. There's just like, not an indent, but just like a bump from these little things. A little bit of glue right here. Oh, over here where the heel is, so there is some glue sticking out on this brown piece. It's not actually on the fabric, so it doesn't like stain the color of the fabric or anything like that right here. But right here I do see that there is like a little scuff mark right there, but they don't look used, you know. So I don't know what that is. There is actually 2 of them right here. There's a little small one and then there's a long one. For these, I would rate these an 8.5. It's our last box, and yes, of course the box is beat up, so let's see how the shoes turned out in this. These are from Olivia, whatever that is what they look like. Okay, let's see. So this is what they look like. Alright. So these come in a nice little bag too. They smell, I love the way brand new shoes smell. Am I the only one that loves like new car smell, new anything smell? I love that smell. They're adorable. These you can even wear these with jeans. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. So I don't see anything so far. Okay, so back here on the heel there is a little bit of glue. Dang, that's some hard glue. Over here actually, where your big toes would be down here, they overstitched it. I do see that little piece hanging right here. I do see like a bunch of glue right here. It just looks really messy right here in the middle. But if you know you're looking at it like this and your foot's on the ground, I can't even tell from looking right here. It's some glue right there. That's kind of disappointing that they got glue actually on the fabric part. So where there was double stitch on the big toe over here, there is not a double stitch over here. I'm gonna rate these at 8. Just because I found more things on this shoe than I found on any other shoe. So they actually do a return policy. So if you guys enjoy this video and you guys want to see what they look like on my feet, keep watching and I will see you guys soon. Bye.